Student finance applications open in early spring. It's important to apply as soon as possible to ensure your payments arrive on time when you start university. Applying late could mean your payments are delayed and arrive after you've already started your course. So let's go through the process of making your student finance application. Firstly, you'll need to make an account on the Student Finance England website and set up a password and email address. You will log into this account throughout your time at university, so make sure it's an email and a password you'll remember and keep these details safe. You'll then need to provide student finance with your passport details or another form of identification, as well as your national insurance number as a part of the application. Then you'll enter the details of your university and course along with your bank details. You don't need to have a confirmed place at university in order to apply for student finance. You can make the application according to your preferred choice and change your university later on if you need to. If you're applying for a maintenance loan, you'll need to enter details of your household income. This depends on your circumstances, but if you are under 25 and live with your parents or guardians and are financially dependent on them, this means you'll need to provide details of your parents' income and their contact details. After you've finished your part of the application, your parent or guardian will then get an email with a link to set up their own account and fill in the part of the application confirming the information that you have provided. Your parent or guardian will need to provide their national insurance number and may also need to submit proof of their income in this section. Once that's done, you'll need to sign a form and submit the application. It normally takes 8 weeks to get a response back once you've applied. You'll get a statement confirming your tuition fee loan and telling you how much money you'll get for your maintenance loan for the coming academic year. At this point, you could be asked to provide extra evidence of your household income. The student finance application can be a little nerve-wracking, but there's no need to worry. Take your time with the application, and if you're still struggling, please get in touch with us and we can help answer your question. It's often a much quicker process than you expect.